Hello and welcome to another edition of Resources for Life TV at resourcesforlife.com. My name is Greg Johnson, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Facebook, which is one of the better known online social networking websites. Now, I've chosen Facebook not really even with any specific purpose in mind, but just it seemed to be the one that kind of filtered down as what was offering all the features I need. And so I wanted to share why I'm using Facebook primarily for social networking. And mainly it has to do with simplicity of workflow. And let me talk about that a little bit. Mostly what I want to share by the web in terms of like little snippets of photos, let's say a photo album or a video like this one, or just a comment about a website. It's kind of an expanded version of what's called Twitter. And I had experimented a little bit with the idea of having, an account on Facebook, an account on Twitter, an account on MySpace, an account on all of the different social networking websites that are out there. It does expand your exposure if you're trying to promote a book or a product or service or business or website or whatever. The general thinking is, get to as many places as possible, get as much exposure as possible. But the trade-offs are, you really have to evaluate, how much time does it take to maintain a legitimate presence in these different social networks. There's some automated software programs that'll make posts for you and create kind of a robotic presence in these social networks. But to really have a genuine, interactive, sincere presence in a social network, it takes time. Besides just, posting news updates, you really you want to be online and checking and seeing what's going on with everybody else. So it helps to kind of narrow it down to maybe 2 or 3 or maybe just one social network that you're going to be involved with. Because Facebook is so big, because it's at this point global and pretty popular, there are applications you can get for the iPhone, for example. Apple has integrated into their iPhoto software the ability to upload pictures from iPhoto directly into Facebook. That's kind of cool because instead of having to, export the pictures and prepare them for an upload and that type of thing, you just click a button. It's quite a hill. One-click publishing from iPhoto to Facebook. And as far as photo sharing, another online service that's pretty good is Flickr. Flickr offers one-click publishing from iPhoto uploaded online. Just going to adjust my camera here for a second. It's going to be a little bit of background noise. On your left. Thanks. I've learned not to try to compete with the road noise and also not to try to do video when the sun's behind me. So anyway, basically what I was saying is that Facebook, because it allows for very simple uploading of photos, basically automated, at least for me using iPhoto, And for videos like this one, if I use the iPhone to create a video, I can just push a button and it uploads it to YouTube. And then just simply copying that YouTube link and pasting it into a Facebook posting on the wall, the video can be played with one click. So it's kind of a 2 or 3 step process to publish video from your camera directly to Facebook. And with other social networking websites, it's not quite as easy. So basically that's why I've picked Facebook as the social networking website that I'm using. Just ease of uploading photos, ease of uploading and sharing video. Because the network has really expanded now to become very international, it's easy to interact with people, to keep track of not just individuals but businesses that are using the Facebook interface. And I think it's a good service. So I'm probably going to be, as far as my own content, video, photos, and maybe just excerpts from writings, longer writings, that I'll be posting those to Facebook, and maybe having an occasional, like once a month, checking in on some of these other social networks that are specialized. But for my own website, I like to maintain longer articles that are more polished, edited, that type of thing. I don't really want to start using my own website and blog as a Twitter, just to post comments. So I think Facebook really it's a good interface. It's also, a good news feed, a good way to keep up with friends and family, and as I said, other organizations and businesses and that type of thing in one centralized location. So anyway, if anyone has any comments or suggestions, if you know of some other social networking websites, I'm on about 20 of them, but if you know of some, just let me know. I'd be interested to know what your views are on that. So anyway, it's a nice Wednesday. I'm going to get to work and hope to hear from you soon. Okay, bye.